Hi everyone, good morning. See, today market already actually has our trend is sell on rise market. So there was a big gap down because of some US issues with sending the immigrants. Okay, whatever. So we already that selling has fractured in. That's why we have to wait for an opportunity to take an entry. Okay, so market is making retracement again. That is what I say now. When we there is a rise in the market, we take put options. Okay, so now we'll see. This is the 575 800 put. We'll take near 360. Okay, let us take 360 is our entry price, and second entry means addition of the position will be at 300. And why today we'll take 50 points at two times. Why? Because I am not confident that the market still immediately will give direct 100 points in the option. Now see, the market option is around 360 again. Okay, so that is the reason we need to wait for 50 points two times and exit. Okay, see, we can't exactly tell how many points we can capture. Okay, still 1000 points also there might be fall, but we should not wait for that. So this is the disciplined trade we need to maintain, right? Okay, so we'll wait for 410 as the target, and next again we'll take entry again for 360. When it comes to 360, we will take an entry. So two times we'll trade for today. Okay, 50 points. So now it is trading 370, 384. So big momentum. See, market is moving like a consolidation mode. So that's why we are not unable to make fast entries, exits. Okay, this is the reason I decided we will take two times into 50 points. Let's wait. 385, 86. Right, most probably our targets will come in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Very rarely it will take say 395, 400, 401, 10 points we mistake it coming down. No problem, we'll wait. We have to wait for the target. $393, 96, another 15 points. $403, 405, 407. See, it has okay, jumped to 413. Okay, our target has come, right? So let us wait for next entry again, right? After coming down, I will update again. Recording will take long time now. Now see, what is the time? 10:07. Okay, it is trading near 360. Okay, we will take an entry here and we will wait for 410 again. So see, 360 has come. We will wait for 410 target, right? 373, 72. Okay, I think it will take time now. Let us wait and see. 385, 390 now. See, market movement, no, it's not coming fast. Morning 1.5 hour there will be quick moves, but here due to already that selling has fractured in, no, that's the reason market is moving slowly. Sensex options, no, fast, but now earlier we used to have good momentum in Bank Nifty index, but weekly expects 400 touched now, 402. Coming down again. So okay, will come most probably 99% it will come, I'm sure. That's why we will wait. Now again coming back to near 480, sorry, 380, 398, 399, 400. Four 402. Okay, I'll make a zoom in so that we will see the price clearly. Right, time is 4:10. Okay, already 3 minutes almost from our entry. Coming down again. 402, 408. It's just 2 points missed target. Four 405 is target hit, see, 470. Right, so 420. This is the how we make profits daily, and most probably we are getting successful strategy. This is we are getting the targets. Okay, and right, thank you for the day.